What's up guys, it's the Buzz Gamer and welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to be unboxing some real diamond and gold. Well, here's the gold one. I'm going to do diamonds that's getting opened by my mom. And here's the diamond one. It's like, oh my god, it feels weird. It feels like really concrete sand or something. Alright, well, I have these to chip away at it, and this. So yeah, I guess I'll just get into it. So, you know, it's gonna be boring. I'll try and chip away at it. I don't mind this. Man, I've only just started. Look how much stuff is on it. Well, you can't see it. But how much stuff is on it. What is the... Oh. There we go. We got into it a little bit. Now, I know that there's some wood in this, because it's the box. The box. You can get some wood in it. So that's cool. I'm hoping for black jasper. I think it'll be pretty cool. Blind black jasper. But what I'm really hoping for, because in that black jasper, to be a diamond. Well, I don't really care what wood I get. I just care that I actually get the diamond. But it's 1 out of 24, so I don't know. I mean, I'm not a lucky person, so I don't know. I'm probably not, but I could try. This is actually really hard. I'm actually doing a good hole there. It's weird. All that stuff on here. So weird to touch. I found the wood. All I need to do is just dig around it. Dig! Found the wood. I have found the wood, people.
It might take a while.
Well, it's a little wood spot in there, and I can just see it.
Take your time there, yeah?
This ain't the place with the diamond in it, but it's a cube, a little cube block. And I know it's not black jasper, but let me have a look on here, see what. It might be pixel jasper, I'm not sure. But all of them are brighter than what this is. It's probably just, don't know. Huh? Ooh. Hardest thing ever. You have no idea. This actually might be a bit boring, but I mean, I still got this gold bar to do yet. Where's it go? Oh, I think I know what to do. This is the hardest thing ever, but I'm actually getting somewhere, so good. It's so weird to hold though. Just let you have a quick look at the diamond. Pretty cool. Right, guys. I'm just gonna try and. I'm actually bending the finger. Ooh. I'm getting closer! Your boy's getting closer, boy! Also, my first ever stream is coming up this year. Just to let you know, it's going to be on my birthday, so look forward to that. But that's in August, so it's kind of a long time. There's all that stuff in there. There's like so much on this. I'm glad I'm really super glad I have a tray for this. Otherwise it'll be all over the table. Better with just my hand. Like, I might have to do a flipping part 2 of this. Oh my god. Hardest thing in the world this is. Ooh. Just see the inside of that there. I don't know what type of wood this is.
The lady in the shop did say it could take ages. So.
Yeah, it'll take ages. I might even have to do a part 2 of this. We're not going to upload this video.
Right.
The recording's up. I thought the recording was up. I mean, I looked at it. I thought we were done with this, but it was like 8 minutes in now. Look at all this. I could probably draw some out of this. What's that? My balls. There. Sorry, can you guys hear me? I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. We'll just go with it like that. I need a way to kind of like crack the side. Okay, welcome back, guys. I think I just had a couple of issues with the sound, and I know I have sound now, so yeah, let's get back into it. So as you can see, I was just doing this. I don't know if I can upload that video or not anymore, but we've gotten into this. So yeah, unboxing Grail Diamonds are gone. So hey, by the way, welcome back to my channel. So all we're doing is just trying to dig into this. We can actually see the wood, and you can get a wood here, and it's cool. There is a chance out of 24 that you can get 1 out of 24 real diamond or gold in this baby. So this will take me a long time. Well, I think I'm just gonna start again, but into like this bit. Yeah. Still gotta do my gold one, yeah. Ooh, I got to the other side of the wood. Good. Yeah, you can just about see it. Yep. I'm just gonna show you guys this in the magnifying glass. Try and make it focus, look. I think you can just about see it. It's like some wood in there. It's pretty cool. I'm just gonna show you something. So weird. I saw another YouTuber do this, and man, it took him no time to do it. One sec, I just need to. There. Yeah, I just needed to do this just so I could. Ooh. Yeah, I'm probably gonna do a part 2 on this. I don't know if I'm actually gonna get any diamond in this. I hope so. I think I can just peacefully step away like this, but no. I want to dig the really fast way. I just made a hole for it. I'm actually getting closer and closer and closer and closer. So that's good, isn't it? Trying to find the wood. Should be able to find it soon. Ooh. Found it. I'm just gonna do this. Take this bit out. Hello, wood. Right. Ooh, this is. I'm actually really close to this, and I'm actually also really close to ending this video. So, yeah. Yeah, a couple more bits. What the? Alright, sorry guys, I'm gonna have to do a part 2 of this, so hope you enjoyed. Sorry, bye.